Hi everyone, guess what? It's giveaway time! Yay! Right after my last giveaway. Only this giveaway is going to be a lot better because it's not just what I'm giving away, it's going to be a collab with my friends Mel and Nessa over at Two Lesbians, One Baby. So it's going to be for Valentine's Day and it's going to be called Love Day Giveaway. So you'll have to be subscribed to both of our channels to win, and I'm going to be giving away some stuff and they're going to be giving away some stuff. So there's going to be one winner and that one winner will win both things, what I'm giving and what they're giving. So I love their channel. They are a great family. They are so much fun in their videos. They're laughing and joking and they don't take themselves too seriously, so it's so much fun to watch their videos. And they do tons of variety of stuff, like not just makeup and tutorials, which not that there's anything wrong with that, but I do like the variety. They do tons of reviews. They do games that you can win stuff from the games. They do tons of giveaways. They do giveaways like every week, which is awesome for their subscribers because then you have lots of chances to win. And so I'm going to show you what I'm giving away, and then you'll have to go over and see what they're giving away, and you'll have to enter for the giveaway. So, okay, what I'm giving away is going to be packaged in this 31 travel makeup bag, just like my last one, but I had two. So there's one to go with the last one and one to go with this one, and I don't have any more. So if you like this, you have to enter to get it this time. So, okay, so you just unsnap the snap and it unfolds. And then this is really great for like if you go to a hotel, you can hang this on that hook in the bathroom and have all of your makeup handy for you. So, okay, so I'm going to go over everything that's inside. I have some great Wet n Wild eyeshadow palettes. I have 2 of the 8-pan palettes and 2 of the 6-pan palettes. I have Petal Pusher. I'm going to try and not give you glare, but obviously I can't open it because it's for the giveaway. This is one of my favorites. I use this all the time for my makeup. It has some great purples and pinks in there. I have the Comfort Zone palette, and this palette has a bunch of dupes in it for MAC eyeshadows, and this is a really popular one. So I have the Walking on Eggshells. This one is also really popular. All 3 of these colors are dupes for matte colors, so that's a nice one. And then I have the, what is it? Yeah, Knock on Wood. This has some beautiful, like, this sort of burgundy color and then a light pink color. I used it today for my eyeshadow, but I was just kind of, I put it on lightly because I was trying to do a more natural look, so. Okay, so I have those. I have a Wet n Wild blush in the color Heather Silk. I'm a little tongue-tied. So that's that. I have one of the Milani Baked blushes, and I've heard so much good stuff about this stuff. It's so beautiful. It's like a light pink color, but then it has like that sort of veining through it. It looks like marble, and it has like a gold shimmer to it. It's so gorgeous. I saw these at CVS, and they were buy one, get one half off. So I got one for me, and I got one for you. This is in the color Dolce Pink. So there's that. I got you a set of the e.l.f. eyelashes. So you have one of those, and if you've never tried eyelashes, this is a great time to try them. And it does come with the glue in there, so you don't need a separate glue for them. I got you the CoverGirl Clump Crusher Mascara in Water Resistant Black. I use this. It's a great mascara. It's one of my faves, so I got you that one. I got you a Hard Candy Stroke of Gorgeous felt tip eyeliner in the color Little Black Dress. I love felt tip eyeliners. They go on so smooth and it's just like a breeze to put your eyeliner on. I got a e.l.f. eyelid primer. I love this stuff. This is comparable to Urban Decay's Primer Potion, only, I mean, I think it's just as good, only it's a lot cheaper. So one of those. I got you an e.l.f. bronzer in the color Sun Kissed. So that one there. I got you one of the new Nivea lip butters in Vanilla Macadamia Kiss, right? Yeah, Vanilla Macadamia. I got you a travel size of the St. Ives Apricot Scrub. It is wintertime, and I don't know about yours, but my skin is really dry, so I've been using the Apricot Scrub for myself. And I got you 2 of the Freeman Peel Off facial masks, one in cucumber and one in pomegranate. And I love these because it's kind of like when you were a kid and you used to put the Elmer's glue on your hand and peel it off, so it's like entertainment and beauty value all in one. So, okay. So for the rules, like I said, you have to be subscribed to both of us. You have to be 18 or have your parents' permission. This giveaway is international, so all of our international subscribers, please definitely get in on this. And then there are ways that you can get extra entries, like I have the Twitter and the Facebook, and they have Twitter, Facebook, and a blog. Mela and Nessa are going to use the Giveaway Tools website to do this whole thing for both of us. It's a lot easier than having to tabulate entries and do it all by hand. So what you're going to have to do is I'm going to link their video in the down bar. You're going to click that, go watch their video. If I can find a picture of what they're giving away, I'll insert it here. If you didn't see a picture, that means I somehow couldn't get it or I couldn't figure out how to put it in my video. So, but you have to go watch their video anyway, so you'll see what they're giving away. And then in their down bar will be the link to go to the Giveaway Tools website, and that is where you'll do all of your entries and all your extra entries. And don't worry if you're already liking us on Facebook or on Twitter or anything, the Giveaway Tools website will recognize that, so you'll get your extra entry even though you're already following us. So don't worry about that. Comment in both of our videos. The comment you're going to leave in my video is going to be your favorite romantic movie for around Valentine's Day, and the comment that you're going to do in their video is going to be what is the best Valentine's Day gift you've ever gotten from anybody. It doesn't have to be husband or wife or boyfriend or girlfriend. It can be from your best friend or from your mom or from your dad or anything. So definitely leave those comments. And I think that's it. So enter away, like us, and that's it. Good luck. And don't worry if you don't win this giveaway, because I'm going to have more giveaways, and definitely Mel and Nessa do giveaways all the time. So get subscribed to them and you can start entering on their stuff too. So thanks so much, you guys. I appreciate you watching, and good luck. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.